Hello everyone, welcome to LITSOFT Consultancy. We provide SAP online training. This is UL ready. I have expertise in SD, MM, TM, CS, VC and the project management. I have 15 plus years of experience in various industries, global projects across countries. Today we are going to discuss SAP SD S/4HANA CMIR, Customer Material Info Record. We will understand about the definition, purpose, testing, configuration and all that stuff about CMIR in the SAP sales and distribution. This is a scope. Today we are going to discuss about, so just we can see here, test the standard sales orders, create the CMIR, VD51 is the T code and we will check in the VA01. We will maintain delivery priority, maintain tolerance limits, maintain usage in CMIR, sales document control, determined plant for CMIR, customer, material and the priority level, minimum delivery quantity in the CMR. Okay. Let's get into CMIR and the portal. Now you can see here, we'll go to litsoft.com and we will be having SAP SD. Here in the contents, we will see customer material info record. Let's understand customer material info record. So deep dive. So where do you use? What is the definition of this? So just we will understand the detailed perspective, then the tailored information about the discussions. CMIR in SAP SD are used to store information specific to the combination of customer and material. So we have the BP, customer is nothing but the BP, and the respective material, we will maintain the combination for the CMIR. It allows a company to maintain customer specific information about the material such as customer material numbers, delivery tolerances, specific, and I have already shown the scope of the CMIR. So we'll see what is the purpose of this. The primary purpose of CMIR is to tailor the standard material master data to meet specific customer needs. This customization enhances the sales order processing by automatically retrieving customer specific data, which reduces the need for manual entry and minimize errors. Examples include this. Mapping the customer specific material number to the company's internal material number, we will discuss that. Setting customer specific delivery tolerances and the rest of the scope items. Here only few are there, but a number of things we are going to discuss. So, and also we will do that in the testing. Now, before getting into process flow, so we have seen definition and purpose as a detailed manner. Now, so what is the real purpose of this? You have the material number, internal or external number range, okay, specific. Let's say finished product 001 you are having, right? Finished product fin mat fin 001 for example. Okay, so our SAP standard we have FG111. Now this FG111 material in the customer system where he sends the purchase order, it's not the same material code. When they send the purchase order, they will give their specific material description or code in which in their system what is the code. It might not be same 99%, right? It is not. But now we need to linkage between the customer records, customer material code as well as our system. Okay, so internal code who is a seller. Now FG111. So how do we maintain? We will see further. Let's move on to the process flow. Creation of CMIR. So where do you create it? And what is the process flow? Where do you check it? So the usage and benefits of this, right? So VD 51, 52, 53 create, change and display is the T code where we use the customer material info record. So here we will maintain what? Customer and material combination. We are good on that. Then CMIR testing will be happen in the sales order processing. You do create sales order. We have one of the scope item we will see, and overall execution of the thing. Okay, and in the delivery also, so one of the scope item we kept is tolerance limits as well as, okay, so we'll be having the minimum order quantity, okay, tolerances and number of this. Next, so these tables we will discuss during the session in the classes for the functional specification and all that stuff based on the CMIR. So already we discussed about the configuration perspective. So we are not getting into the deep dive of configuration here. And here, as example, what we discuss FG111, let's say customer material is MAT001, where, sorry, this is our material, and the customer material is cursed MAT001. So FG111, and we are going to take up in this session, and here cursed FG111, let's say, okay. So then, do we really need, okay, so need to create this material? So stay connected, we'll discuss. So these are the customers and the tolerance limit 5% and whatever we need to maintain 5, 10, 12, whatever. Okay, so you can maintain depending on the customer requirement. Now, here all those test cases we will see. Then one by one we will get into the system, right? Test the standard sales order and observe the CMIR. Create the CMIR with a VD51 check and VA01. Maintain delivery priority difference. Okay, so in the CMIR as well as the customer master, and observe the testing. Maintain partial deliveries different in CMIR this one. Maintain tolerance limits different in CMIR and the customer. Maintain usage in CMIR. So take one of the usage, okay. So then, so how that works, what is the standard with the TAN it is coming, and rest of the other areas. Before and after maintaining the usage in the CMIR, you can check it. So sales document control, read info record, then so you can check about the determination of the plant, okay, from CMIR, cost and the slash material. Minimum delivery quantity. So in the CMIR. So how do we do the testing of that? So let's go one by one and we will see. I'm going to the system, and we need to see, so what are the materials we need to have, right? So I'll go to MM60 and check the materials first. I would like to take here FG111. Okay, so this is the one. We have the material.